Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Juttis. So in today's video I'm going to show you few products that I've got from Shopsy. So Shopsy is in trend right now. People are purchasing from Shopsy. It's a very affordable version of the of Flipkart and other e-commerce websites. So yeah, today I have got around 11 products from Shopsy, and yeah, so I'll be doing unboxing with you. I still haven't opened the product except one, which if you follow my channel you would have seen in the shorts video. Okay, that I have purchased one product, which is a jewellery product. Okay, remaining all products are lying here right in front of me, and yeah, I still haven't opened them, so we'll unbox together. Okay, look at this. I have these many parcels. Okay, so one by one we'll start, and before getting into the video, please do subscribe to my channel, okay, and give this video a thumbs up in case you like this video, and also please do subscribe to my channel. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get started. So okay, so in no particular order, I'll be picking up the first product that comes. So this is the one. Okay, so I'll be so this is a jewelry product again. Okay, so yeah, it comes in a cardboard box like this, very nice, very neatly packaged, and it comes in a bubble wrap like this. Okay, so this is how the jewelry looks like. I'll just open it and show. Okay, so it is in golden color, okay, which has stones. It looks something like this. Okay, so as you can see here, okay, so this is how it looks, very pretty. Okay, so I am not a person who wears too much of like gold tone jewelry, because that's not my vibe, but yeah, I do like these. Okay, this comes with a pair of earrings like this, you can see them, and also it has a mantika, which is again like this. Okay, so this retails for around 120-130 rupees. I don't remember the price exactly. Okay, I'll put the price somewhere on the screen, okay, so you can check it out. Also guys, all the links of the products that I'm showing you will be mentioned in the description box, so in case you are interested, do check them. Okay, so next product that I have here is a clothing item. So most of the products that I ordered are clothing items. Okay, struggling to open. So they come in a similar package of a Flipkart, guys. Okay, so yes, okay, so this is a top that I have ordered. Something which has two to tie. These are two ribbon sort of thing for tying, which is very cute, and it has this ruche material. Okay, so it is stretchable, and I have ordered this in the size M. Okay, this is how it looks. Okay, and niche mein they have given this frill kind of detailing here. It's very cute, front and back it has this ruche material. Okay, so I'll insert a picture of me wearing this somewhere on the screen. Okay, so the next one that I have here is again a piece of clothing item.
"2,000 years later."
Opening the parcels is such a pain. Okay, so this is something like this. It's a top. Okay, so this is how it has come. Okay, so this is how it looks, something like this, though it looks a little big for my size, but it's okay. It has this V-neck and this cute collar detailing. Okay, and yeah, so and the material is something like rayon kind of a material, but it's good, it's comfortable. Okay, so yeah, moving on to the next one. Again, it's a clothing item, Actually, the shirt which I've ordered, the top which I've ordered is in the size M, but I think it's a little big for me, so I'll try it, otherwise I'll exchange it. I was more excited for this dress basically because lavender is my favorite color, and from the beginning. And yeah, I was trying a lot to find a kurti or a dress in such color. I was not getting it. I found it on Shopsy and I just wanted to grab it. Okay, so this is how it looks. Okay, it's in a rayon material, very pretty. It's in chicken curry embroidery. Okay, so this is how it looks. Okay, the color that you're seeing on the screen right now is the exact same color of the kurti. Okay, something like this. It has sequin work, okay, on the top, and there's nice chicken curry work all over the kurti. So basically it's an anarkali kurta, and you will see a photo or a video of me wearing it somewhere on the screen. Okay, very beautiful. I think that's one of my most favorites till now. Okay, so the next one that I have is again a piece of clothing. Okay, so I had got this kurta in the, so I got it in the size medium. Yes. This I don't remember. I think this is also kurti, I guess. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell the price of the lavender kurti. So this retailed for around 450 rupees, which is great for its, you know, quality and how the way it looks. Okay, so this is the dress basically. Okay, this is how it looks. It's a little transparent, by the way, which is okay. So it has these noodle straps here, and yeah, it's a little transparent, you can see, but that's okay. And this is how it looks. It has a ruche detailing on the, you know, top area, and yeah, it goes like this. Next is again a piece of clothing. Again, I was kind of excited for this one. Okay, so let's open. Okay, so this is basically a kurti set. Okay, a kurti and a palazzo. This is how it looks. This is in this blue color, royal blue, plus with a combination of green. We'll open it. Okay, so this is how it looks. The kurti is something like this. Okay, it's too big for me. This, by mistake, it has come as triple XL. I have to exchange it at any cost. Okay, so this is how it looks. It has very beautiful embroidery here. Embroidery work is going on here, and yeah, so it has this tie and the side, and again it has a detailing over here, embroidery detailing at the bottom. Okay, this is how it looks. Okay, so this is how it looks. Let's see the palazzo. So basically it's a, okay, so it is like this. It is a plain palazzo pant. Okay, something like this. Okay, so the next one is a denim cord set. Okay, something like this. I'll show it to you. Okay, so this is how the top looks like. Okay, again the thin strap, and behind is a ruche material so that it fits properly to anyone according to their body type and shape. Okay, it's a small crop top like this, very cute. And this is a skirt. Okay, it's a denim skirt, and which has a small ruffle detailing over here on the bottom. It looks really pretty. Okay, it's like this. This is also in the size M. Okay, so these are the dresses. Now we have only 3 things left. Okay, I have also ordered some footwear, okay, which is traditional juttis that we call. Okay, something like this. Let me open these. Okay, so this is how it looks. It's in black color with golden sequin work going on all over the jutti. Okay, it's like this. This is how it looks in the size 38. Though it looks good, but I'm not very sure of how comfortable this will be because it's quite hard, and even the sole looks a little slippery. Okay, so next is another pair of juttis that I had ordered. I don't remember what color it is though. Okay, so it's in multicolor. Okay, something like this. It's a very cute mojri that we call, with the mirror work going on and some gold. This kind of juttis can go with any traditional outfits or Punjabi suits or any Punjabi suits. Okay, so now we are done except for the last product. I had kept the biggest one for the last. See this. Okay, so this is a kitchen item basically. Okay, so take it out. Okay, so this is how it looks. It's a big one, along with this for keeping spoons and forks, and this is one tray that we have to keep at the bottom so that all the water gets drained. Okay, so this is how it looks. It's made of plastic, brown color, and this product is the cheapest of all the products. I got this only for 69 rupees. Okay, I think it was for 69 or 79 rupees, but I'll keep the exact price on the link on somewhere on the screen. Okay, but I'll keep the exact price somewhere on the screen. Okay, so also I just wanted to tell you, okay, that the prices can fluctuate on this website. Okay, so yeah, whatever price I'm mentioning, if you see the products currently, the prices might differ. It might be cheaper, it might be a little expensive. Just wanted to say that prices keep fluctuating. So yeah, if there are any sale going on, definitely you can grab the products. Okay, so yeah, okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and all the product links will be mentioned in the description box below. Do go and check it out in case you're interested, and you can drop your suggestions as what is the next video that you want me to work on. Definitely I will try doing it. Okay, so yeah, so that's it for today's video, guys. Please do hit the like button in case you like this video. Also please subscribe to my channel, and I'll keep coming back with more such videos, more better content. Till then, bye, take care.